Here's the RASL 048 running. Told the painters yesterday, make sure you plastic this thing off. Oh, we will. We will. There it is, the RAPM 036JEZ, 9.8 amps, high speed. Not a bad unit, nice and quiet. This is a 5-ton Rheem builder's model. It's a nice unit. It's a 13 AJ M60A01. It actually has a scroll compressor in it. This thing's nice and quiet. It has a, let's see, 1/5 horsepower, 850 RPMs. The 5-ton is up and running. Nice and quiet. I love the scroll compressor. It's nice to the builder's model.